everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Alina Ghost, and if you're new here, I have a 1-year-old baby boy called Aiden, and I have been doing reviews of reusable nappies for like 3 months now, which is super exciting because I've learned so much. And today I'm going to be reviewing Bear Bott specifically. I'm looking forward to sharing this one with you because it's actually 2 nappies, all in one and all in 2. And I'm looking forward to sharing this with you because I absolutely loved trying these out. One thing I was going to say before I begin, and that's make sure that you watch to the very end because I will be giving you a discount code, which is super awesome that I'm able to actually provide you with a little bit of an incentive to start that cloth nappy journey. I believe in sustainability and eco-friendliness especially when you're a mum with a baby, because I know how hard it can be. Okay, cool, so let's begin with the all-in-one nappy. So it's an all-in-one nappy because actually it's connected to the nappy and you can't pop it out, you can't take the insert out of the actual outer layer of the nappy itself, and usually that's when it feels most like a disposable nappy. So if you are starting out your nappy journey and you're used to that disposable nappy, perhaps this is the one for you. I love the fact that Bear Bott has absolutely beautiful prints. It really warmed to me when it was like those browns and beiges. I absolutely love those colours, but also because it's animals, and I have been trying to teach my son 2 languages, so I have been starting out with like animals and usually like farm animals, so this fits in so perfectly because not only am I teaching him in English, but I actually teach him in the Russian as well. So when it comes to those animals and we put them on, I use it as an educational opportunity because I tell him this is this animal, and then sometimes I make the noises as well. Although that can be difficult, but don't worry, usually when you ask Alexa how to say a particular animal, she actually tells you what that animal is and does the noise. But anyway, that's a complete tangent. What I'm trying to say here is that the prints are absolutely beautiful. And what's even better is that I saw on our Facebook group that the owner of Bear Bott was looking for inspiration and asking people to recommend what kind of designs and stuff to do. So if I could be really cheeky, and if you're watching this right now, Amy, I believe, please know that my son absolutely loves monkeys. So if you can make like a cute cheeky monkey in that brown beigey colour, I would absolutely love that. So something great about not only this nappy, but actually both of the nappies, isn't just the designs, but also because of the insert, and the insert is heavy bamboo. So what I mean by heavy is that it's like layers and layers of bamboo. I believe it's 4 layers, which means that it's really absorbent. And in fact, I love this nappy because it lasts me a very long time. I'd say 3 to 4 hours easy. It's such a beautiful material, such a well-made nappy. I'm absolutely in love, and actually I'd say it's on par with that Nappy News nappy that I tried about a month ago, and also give you a discount, so do check out the link. I'll make sure to pop it in so that you can check that out if you wanted to. So I love the fact that the nappy is really absorbent, and actually the fact that it's like very like wide. So it doesn't have any spills. I've not noticed any spills. I don't need to add extra inserts underneath, but I do anyway, just in case, especially when I'm out. I add like a bamboo right at the front because he's a boy. So the way I stuff it, because he's a boy, is usually fold the stuff like the booster up, and add it underneath the insert, which I find perfect. And I just do that for my own peace of mind, but at the same time I sometimes don't, because it's just so absorbent and I know that I can rely on it. So when it comes to that quality, it definitely gets that tick factor. So not only is it wide, I was going to show you like the sides are really wide, but also it's connected on both sides, which in like a Bambino Mio one isn't actually both sides, it's just the one side, and the insert actually pops in, whereas these ones, so this one I wanted to show you that the insert is outside and it's not a pocket nappy basically. It's not an insert that you pop into a pocket nappy, but the insert is like the top layer, and then you've got like the waterproof layer on the other side. In terms of the popper system, it's the usual, so you are able to actually adjust the sizing as your baby grows. I love that because that means that actually it will last me longer and hopefully until potty training. The other thing I like is the fact that the popper system has a reinforcement popper, as you can see right here. And the other thing that I like is that the poppers are really easy to pop on and off. Before I forget to mention this, I wanted to say that because of the really great quality of the inserts, and you don't have to boost it much at all, like even I boost it only with like a really thin bamboo or hemp booster, which is really tiny and slim. It means that this nappy is really slim. It means that actually your baby isn't going to be that heavy. I don't know about you guys, but my baby boy still loves to be held in my hands, in my arms. So basically it means that as he's getting bigger, he's getting heavier, and it does make a difference when the nappy is much slimmer and much better quality than your usual like microfibers. The only downside to the nappy is the drying, but I'll get onto that after I talk to you about the all-in-two. So the all-in-two is very similar, but the only difference is the fact that it's not connected to the nappy itself. That means that I can pop it out and it dries so much quicker. I'll get onto drying in a second. So when it comes to just the nappy, as I said, it's not a pocket nappy, so there's no pocket to actually add any inserts or anything in there. So when it actually comes to popping this into the nappy, I found that stuffing it with extra boosters is a lot more difficult than the all-in-one. So for me, I will say that I actually prefer the all-in-one because I can add extra stuff to it just for peace of mind. And no, I have never had leakages with this one either, because basically the material on the insert is the exact same insert materials of the all-in-one, so that means that the all-in-two is just as absorbent. But I'll say that the all-in-two, so this one that pops out, isn't as wide as the other one in my opinion. I don't think it is, because it's not connected. I feel like perhaps it's not as long, and it doesn't feel as if it's as wide, in my opinion. So I don't know whether that's right or wrong, but if you can comment down below and actually let me know what it is, that'd be good. So it's got the reliability, it's got the quality factor, especially when it's like bamboo. It's a really nice natural material that's really absorbent, right? So it's gonna last you a long time, which is awesome. The downfall is the drying, as I've mentioned. So firstly, the way I dry my nappies is downwards. So that means that it's vertical. Yes, I got that right this time. So it's vertical downwards. And basically, it just means that when I can pop it out, when it's an all-in-two, it dries much quicker because I can dry that separately to the pocket, so the outer layer. When it comes to the all-in-one, unfortunately it does take me a while to dry that. And it's annoying because it's my favourite nappy. And actually I'd say that it doesn't hinder me from using it more often. I just believe that I should get some more. It's a really good excuse, right? So basically I think it takes about 2 days to dry fully, and I also find that I have to invert it, so turn it inside out so that it dries on both sides. So one day that side and then turn it and then dry it on the other side. So basically, because it's bamboo, because it's so absorbent and such a natural nice material, unfortunately it does mean that you will wait a lot longer for it to dry. So if I were you, I'd be dying right now to get my hands on this nappy because it's this awesome. And it's no surprise that because of the good quality, the all-in-one nappy, and my favourite one, is actually the around that £24 mark. So if you're in the UK, I'm going to be doing it in sterling, so pounds sterling. And basically when it comes to the all-in-two, that's a little bit cheaper, so around that £22 mark. But don't worry, because if you're buying for the first time from Bear Bott, I'm going to be giving you a 15% discount. Isn't that awesome? It is. So make sure to use this discount code right now. So give cloth a go, and do try this nappy out because I absolutely love it. So I've covered all the things that I wanted to mention to you, so I hope that this was useful. I absolutely love this brand and the fact that it's such high quality, and I will be buying again. Thank you so much for watching this review. I hope that it inspires you to start this cloth nappy journey if you haven't already, and if you have, I hope that you like this brand and also give it a go. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.